Okay, so I ended up using 2 packages of the JB WaterWeld. I got them for $5.74. I overbought just to have more than, not enough. And I feathered it out a little bit. I probably used more than I needed, but that's fine. One thing I did notice is that the spray rust paint kind of peeled off while I was putting on the epoxy, so ideally you would want to wait a day. I just need to get this done for today because I have someone coming to the house this evening. And the other thing is that it really was hard to work with those nitrite gloves, so I just used my bare hands while I kneaded the epoxy and then put it onto the pipe. So my next video is really going to be after this cures, demonstrating how the water flows and giving you an update on that. I really hope that it is sealed tight now and there's no water leaks and the water from the sink goes right into this drain without any more issues. I don't mind putting, some more epoxy every couple years if I have to. That's no bother really. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative for you.